Hey everybody, Chrissy Tobis here today for Thermoweb, and I'm going to show you some of these cards I created using the new Unity toner card fronts. So I love these card fronts because it makes creating cards super fast and super easy. Really all you have to do is drop foil on the top of it and you're good. Now for these particular cards, I decided to get all fancy smancy and I cut different colors of foil to make it look all cool. But really you don't have to do that. You could use one piece of foil if you wanted to, or just two, whatever you wanted to do. And like I said, it's super duper easy. The only thing you have to have is a laminator. So you can see I just cut the foil. Now what I will tell you is you need to lay all the foil down at once, because if you don't, the excess toner that is not being foiled is going to stick to your parchment paper. So lay your card base down, put your foil on top of it silver side down, put it inside parchment paper. I also put some cardstock behind it. And then you can see here, just peel it off, and basically that card front is done. So really all I had left to do was add a sentiment. So I have a Unity stamp set called Glimmering Greetings, and I just stamped that on there using some watermark ink. And then I decided, just because I wanted that extra shimmer, I already had the foil, why not add some more? I heat embossed using some silver embossing powder for that sentiment. And I did make a few other cards here too, doing basically the exact same thing, using a couple different colors of foil that I just kind of cut and placed and then put inside that parchment paper. And so I will show those at the end of the video, but you can see here, that is all, I'm getting my heat gun, that is embossed on there. So now I'm gonna show you, I love when I use like silver or gold and I heat emboss, and you can just see it kind of pop. So then really I decided to just pretty much complete the card. I used a black card base. For inside, when I'm writing, I know some people like to use white ink. I just put a white piece of cardstock inside to write my sentiment. And these are the other two cards that I created using the Unity toner card fronts. So thanks so much for stopping by today, and I hope you have a great day.